kaya to? Ganda oh. Very old infrastructure. So ang daming ganito dito guys sa sa Bohol. Tayo ang kasalukuyang simbahan yari sa Corrales 1727. Grabe. This one is really awake. Look oh. Wow, magnificent. So ayun, ang daming chocolate guys. Mga chocolate hills, sobrang dami. This part lalo, ayun oh. Good morning guys. So we are here in Panglao, Bohol. So dito kami sa Alona Beach. So for today, mag-land tour kami. Guys. So we're gonna check out yung mga top tourist destinations dito. Start kami ng mga 10. Wait lang namin yung yung car na I've rented. Ngayon lang tayo guys for the first time gumamit ng cellphone sa pag-vlog. Dahil yesterday, nung malapit na kami sa airport, that's the time that I realized that I don't have my vlogging gears with me. Kahit yung GoPro wala, naiwan ko din pala. What I have is just the batteries. So mag-breakfast muna kami guys. And then bounce na kami. Alright guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast. So ito yung bread section guys. Yan. You could have it heated there. Large bread. Then some dips. First spread. What's that? Pork? Huh? No. What's that? Fish. They're still refilling it pala. Oh, that one Longganisa. Rice. Soup. Hey guys, porridge. Hi, good morning. Hey love. What are you having? Oh, it's like nuggets. Nice. Then some egg. Then mommy. Like that. This is what I have. Longanisa. And then squid, dried squid. And then the nuggets. And then rice. And then I have 2 eggs. And I have 2 eggs for breakfast. And then of course, coffee. Alright. Kain muna kami guys. We are leaving na. Going to the land tour. So, andito na yung car na nirent namin. Shout out Miss Amor. Thank you so much. Oh, guys. So, this is, I think, a 2023 Mirage. Yan. So, very reasonable guys yung price nito. So, DIY yung gagawin natin na land tour. Don't have an itinerary pero bahala na. No? So let's check the dash. Sabi ni Miss Amor, this is just 1 month old. Oh, nice. Alright. So ito yung bridge connecting Tagbilaran to Panglao. So before, which was long time ago, nung wala pang bridge, medyo mahirap yung access talaga going to Panglao. Pero when they built the bridge, of course, mas madali na yung transportation nila. I know. This one, yeah. So, connecting from Tagbilaran City to Panglao. 300 meters. Guys, our first stop, ito yung vlog pack. There, oh. So, may mga souvenirs dito, guys, na for sale. Then, ayan yung Tagbilaran sign. Overlooking siya guys, oh. There, oh. Nice. Alright, so picture muna kami dito. This is our second stop guys, the Baclayon Church. So this is one of the oldest Philippines Catholic churches. So they said na it was built way back 1700s, 1727, something like that. So imagine, oh, ang tanda na nito. Parang goosebumps yung feeling mo guys na being here. Ito. There nga guys, oh. Sa 17, pinatayo ang kasalukuyang simbahan yari sa Corrales 1727. Grabe. Guys, no? Parang alam mo yung balik ka sa Spanish era. Pag nandito ka, oh. Wow. Stay guys, oh, no? Ganda, ganda. Panalo. Alright, so we're off to our third destination. Hey guys, so ito yung Lobok River na port or yung staging area. So dyan kayo sasakay guys. So yung itinerary namin is going to Chocolate Hills. So we're not sure if we're gonna take this, if we're gonna do this later. Ito pala yung sa likod ko guys, astig oh. Kaya to, ganito oh. Very old infrastructure. So ang daming ganito dito guys sa sa Bohol. Anyway, going back guys. So ayan let's try to zoom. Hindi pala pwedeng i-zoom pag naka-directors mode. So ayan yung mga boats na sasakyan. So you can have your lunch there in a buffet lunch. So I think from 800 to 950 yun yung presyo niya guys. So I'll check later kung makakasakay kami, pero just in case at least napakita ko sa inyo guys. So ito yung Lobok River guys na. Alright, so, this is our third destination. Ito yung man-made forest guys. Ang ganda oh. Lalo pag nagtitake ka ng pictures, sa center mo siya, very symmetric. Look at the branches of the trees. Para silang mga kamay na nag-hold hands. No? Ganda, ganda. Sobrang relaxing. Although napansin ko lang meron siguro mga locals 'yon. Alam naman nila na this is a tourist spot, so marami nagte-take ng pictures, pero ang tulin pa rin. Downhill. Tulin mag-drive. Anyway, sana medyo may dumaan Sana the local government will do something about it. Yung bus na tulin Anyhow, ang ganda ng scenery dito guys. So dito guys sa Bilar Man-Made Forest, ito nakita ko yung Bilar Eco Park. I'm not sure kung ano yung nasa loob dyan, pero kung sino man yung nakapunta na rito guys, just comment down below the things that you could see there. So ito pa yung another portion guys ng Man-Made Forest. Ang ganda, very relaxing. So punta na dito na kami guys sa Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. So ito yung entrance nila. So meron siyang entrance fee. Let's just check how much. Ayun, regular 120, student 110, senior 100. Ito yung mga data guys ng Tarsier. Alright, bayad muna kami guys wait lang. So guys, we're here. So we are now entering Tarsier Place. Tarsier Place talaga Alright, come on. So Caleb, it says please observe silence, no camera flashes allowed, kasi I think they'll get scared. Please don't touch the Tarsier. Don't poke their eyes.
Their eyes, I'm so sorry.
Alright guys, yeah, good thing the weather is like this nga guys. So kanina it was a bit raining. Good thing tumigil. Alright guys, pag kami nahanap kami ng Tarsier, papakita na lang namin sa inyo. Hey guys, we found our first Tarsier.
Come here, baby.
There nasa ilalim siya ng leaf. Yeah, where is it? There umulan na guys So yan siya so cute. Here guys, our second Tarsier. So they're territorial pala, sabi ni ate. That's why they tend to stay in one place lang. Ayan super cute. Medyo I can't give justice kasi madilim. Cellphone lang yung gamit natin. Alright, we're gonna continue walking. Ate, thank you. Come on Caleb, go in front of me. Hey guys, this is the third Tarsier. This one is really awake. Look wow, magnificent. Ang haba pala ng tail nila no? And then look at that Look at their arms. Ang hands sila gising parang owl. Nice. Ito gising na gising Nice. Alright guys, malapit na kami sa Chocolate Hills. It says, welcome to Chocolate Hills.
And it looks 100 years old.
Nice, yeah. So you have to pay first the entrance fee. Thank you. Yeah, so it's 100. Alright po, thank you. So 100 pesos per head. And then, bawal daw yung parking doon. So maghaintay ka dito for your turn. And then they'll bring you up to the Chocolate Hills viewing deck. Yung shuttle. So, mag-aantay ka lang. So, pag-park kami dito. And then we paid itong entrance fee na 250. So, 100 for adults and then 50 for kids. We're already here at the first first level viewing stage kasi meron pang going up there. So sabi ni Kuya, that's 220 steps to get there. So pinag-iisipan pa namin if we will go there. So pero dito kitang-kita na guys, those are ayan yung mga Chocolate Hills there. Ayan, so ang dami nila. Mamaya bibilangin ko guys para sa inyo. Hindi, joke lang. Sobrang dami. Alright. So ayun nga guys, we took the challenge and we are almost halfway through. Hindi, joke lang. 1/4 pa lang nung inakit namin. Pero dito pa lang kitang-kita na yung mga Chocolate Hills guys. Ayan, ang cute nila, no? Wonders of the world. How did the nature was able to create such a scenery? Ganda. Guys. Woo. So guys, magpasensyahan nyo na if yung audio natin hindi maganda. I think maingay yung because of it's very windy. And as what I've mentioned, gamit natin is lang. Yeah, I forgot my vlogging cameras. Alright, akit kami guys, ha? Kita-kits tayo sa taas. We were able to get here sa topmost viewing deck ng Chocolate Hills. So ayun, ang daming chocolate guys. Mga Chocolate Hills, sobrang dami. This part sa ayun, no? Merong perfect yung cone. Meron namang what do you call this? Matulis, parang triangular shape. Sobrang ganda guys. So good thing it's not that sunny, pero a bit cloudy, pero okay na. Kasi naman umuulan. So dito ata yung guys, yung pag magti-trail ka ng ATV. So ayun yung courses if you wanna ride the ATV. Yan. So you could be able to ride up to the side of the side part nung Chocolate Hills. Whew, pagod guys. Parang nag-burn tayo ng doon. 1,000 calories. Joke lang. Alright guys. Hi Caleb, how are you?
Hey, I tried to do this with
Why? What happened?
It's rigged.
Oh yeah?
Rigged.
Alright guys, so baba na kami. We're going to the next destination or lunch muna siguro. No, dito rin pala sa kabila, ang dami rin ng Chocolate Hills. Grabe, nakakabilib. Amazing really. No? Come on. Let's go down.
The telescope is rigged. Ruined my day.
So guys, ito pala yung trivia how it was formed. So this unique karst landscape is composed of smooth, uniformly shaped, conical isolated hills that cover a vast area in the central portion of the island. The site was once platform of thick and widespread buildup of coral reefs that thrived during the Pliocene, approximately 2 to 5 million years ago, and later to form a sedimentary formation. Soon, this limestone formation was raised above the sea level and fractured rainwater streams and groundwater dissolved the limestones, gradually forming present landscape of cone karst. So this is how it was formed guys, the mga Chocolate Hills. And guys, hindi namin napansin na it's already 3 p.m.
And I'm gonna swim when we get home. I don't.
There, so kakain muna kami dito sa Iya Tinay.
No, Mia Kinay.
So we ordered sisig and sinigang na hipon. So ito bestseller daw nila to dito. Also the sinigang na hipon.
I can't hear you right. I think you said you were here.
So
Yes.
although late na rin kami nag-breakfast kanina, pero talagang siguro sa dami ng pinuntahan namin, we got so hungry already. Alright, hintayin natin yung sinigang na hipon guys. I'll show it with you. Okay, dumating na yung sinigang na shrimp natin.
And that's mine.
Yes, mommy's removing the skin.
For me.
Hey guys, kain na kami. Sobrang gutom na. Alright guys, so we are here at the beef farm. So mommy asked me to go here kasi they want to try the very famous ice cream daw dito. So we're gonna check what do they have here and we'll share it with you guys. Oh, look at that guys. Very cute though. Ice cream production, bee farm. Maybe it's here. Where? Where can we get the ice cream? Oh, there. Alright. Oh, look at that. Kailan ba?
To the garden.
What flavor are you getting?
I'll see.
Huh?
I'll see.
Let's check what flavors they have.
Guys.
So, these are the flavors. Avocado, dragon fruit, durian, mango, pandan, spicy ginger, goyabano, chocolate, malunggay, ube, buko, etc. They have a peanut kisses, melon, salted honey.
And even kalama, it's weird. And
Kalama and rum cocoa.
activated charcoal. You see that black one?
Oh, look at that. Dami. And
Then what's that?
it's very affordable, guys.
Oh, it's cassava cone.
What's that, ate?
cassava cone.
Cassava cone. It's very affordable. It's just 80 pesos per scoop. No? Wow. We're gonna get a few, guys. Huh? Wait lang. So, guys, I got the charcoal flavor. It's good. May nakatingin ka na ng uling. No, mommy wanna try. What's
Mine is the salted caramel. That's good.
Yours.
Avocado and I'm eating it like a monster.
So here, dito lang yan guys sa bee farm. So Bohol bee farm. Ang sarap ito, in fairness oh.
Can you try yours?
Best seller daw yung guys. Yung charcoal nila.
Ang sarap pala.
Good, no? What?
It's yummy.
What?
Wait.
What's wrong?
It's just weird looking kasi it's black.
Yeah.
But it tastes
Can I taste yours? Maybe. Try that.
What's that?
Salted caramel is kind of, yeah. I don't like it.
Yeah, I like it. I like salted caramel.
I like
Okay,
the,
it's a little too sweet for me.
How about the avocados, Caleb?
and then
Try.
this one, guys,
Try.
the cone
But my try.
is from cassava.
Cassava cone.
Cassava. Yeah.
Let's try mine.
What?
Let's try it.
So chill muna kami dito guys. At pagod kami, init.
Go to
And then
beef.
too much walking and then we can get so tired so
It's
much
been such a long
kasi
day, guys.
next week
And I
we're going
died.
to Bangkok. So we will be staying there for 9 days.
We can sit here if you want.
So chill lang tayo, no? Oh, ayos oh. So good. Morning guys, so today is our last day here in Bohol and we're having our breakfast. After this, punta na kami sa airport because our flight is at 12. Time check, it's almost 10 in the morning. So here's the vibe here in Panglao, Bohol. We're having pancakes, longanisa, sweet roll, egg, and then coffee. Oh, thank you. Alright guys. So this concludes our vlog here in Panglao, Bohol guys. So thank you so much for joining us in this adventure and I hope you like the video. And if you do, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.